So, hello everyone. This is the live demo for the Group 10 project, which is based on the topic attendance management system. So, firstly, we will start with the project description, which is uh, the purpose of the attendance management system is to provide an efficient and accurate system for tracking students' attendance and their leave requests. This system aims to reduce the manual workload of teachers and administrative staff while ensuring that attendance records are accurate and up to date. In this system, we have tried that the student should be able to track their attendance accurately and in real time. The student should also be able to manage leave requests. The system should be able to manage the leave requests from students and provide approval or rejection based on the predefined criteria. Further, it should be able to generate attendance reports for individual students, a group of students, or the entire class. Now, we will look at the main objectives which were covered during the project. Firstly, we 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 were creating a website which does the task of marking and managing the attendance of students in the institute. Further, it is made to help the students as well as the faculty to track and manage their present or absent in the any courses which they are enrolled. The other objective was it will allow the users with a one-point mechanism to apply for leaves and to have a check whether those leaves have been approved or not. It has an add-on feature that gives the students the list of all the courses that are available in the institutes, which they can enroll in the future. Moreover, the administrative staff was given the right to look at the overall attendance of the students and to manage other functionalities such as leave approval and looking at all the courses which are provided in the institute. Now, we will move on to the live demo of the project. Now, we will be first starting with the server which runs the project. The server takes some time to start up while we wait. So now, uh, firstly, we will look at the demo for the students. From the perspective of students, if he wants to log into the system. So now this is a student ID and password we have entered. Now we will click on the submit button. Now we can look at the profile of Nidhi Singh, who is a student of BTech second year. Now we can look at all the courses which she is enrolled in that particular institute, and even we can look at the percent of classes which she has attended up till date. So now we will look at the other functionality, which is the see all courses. So this page does the work of providing the list of all the courses which are taught in the institute with a short description of the course. Like if we want to look at the data structures course, then we will get the name of the instructor who teaches that course and a brief description about what the course is all about. Now uh, we can look at any other course as well. Okay. So now, if a students want to apply for a leave, like if he or she has missed any of the past classes, then she can click on that button and this page opens. So now we will select a date from which she was absent on, like from 11th of April to like 14th of April, type of reason, sick leave, reason, fever. Now she can also upload a document, any document which proves that she was genuinely sick. Then now we will click on the submit button and the forms get stored in the backend. So this is how you will apply for leave. And this system also gets a functionality of seeing the past leaves, like fever, a back pain, headache, and their current status, like whether they have been denied, approved, or whether it still remains pending in the database system. So this was all about what the functionalities of a students. Now we will look at how the system will look if a faculty tries to log into the system. Now faculty enters his or her ID. Uh, Faculty enters the password and selects the faculty option. Now we click on the submit button. Now this is the profile of the faculty who is named by the name Rohit. So now the general attributes like age, what's the role is, and their email is displayed. The total number of courses the faculty teaches in the institute, and his or her attendance, and a short description of the faculty. Now, by clicking on the View Courses button, we move to the part where the courses which the faculty teaches in the institute is displayed along with the number of students in the course. Now, if the faculty wants to start a particular attendance, then he will click on the Start Attendance button, select a particular date on which he wants to start the class, like maybe 1st of August. Uh, then uh, Okay, actually, it was taking some time to load the list of students which are enrolled in the institute. Now, if we want to like mark the students of attendance of the students like Bhavya, Shivam, Rahul, Shreya, then we will check all these buttons. Uh, then we will click on the submit button. Okay, now the attendance has been submitted in the database. And if we want to look at which all students in the future, if we want to access which all students were present on on those particular dates, then we can move to the view attendance button and select that particular date, which will help us to retrieve the list of the students who were present. And it's loading as it's fetching the data. And as we can see, we mark the attendance of students like Bhavya, Shivam, Rahul, Shreya, Karan. So they come in the uh, green color. So this was all about what faculty can see in the terms of view courses. Uh, then faculty can also apply for leave. This functionality works this in the same way as it did in the student. So I won't be uh, completely demonstrating this. And then this was all about. And the faculty can also see his or past leaves and the status of their leave as well. So that's all. That's all about our project, and it too had, I guess, it admin can also log in to the system the same way the students and faculty did. But currently the status of admin page is inactive, hence we can't show it in our live demo. Thank you. That's all from the live demonstration.